Hello everyone. In today's video I will be unboxing and installing a Sherpa Equipment Company Princeton roof rack on my 4th gen Toyota 4Runner. I highly recommend taking a look at Sherpa's selection of roof racks and accessories for various Toyota vehicles. The installation was fairly straightforward with instructions found on Sherpa's website. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing and installation process. So here I'm doing the unboxing of my Sherpa Equipment Company Princeton roof rack for the 4th gen 4Runner. One thing I want to note right off the bat is when I received the box via UPS, it did arrive damaged, so I'm hoping that everything is inside and undamaged, but the box itself was torn here at the end. It actually arrived like that. And then over here on this side, the box was torn as well. So I'm hoping that everything is inside the box. Let's open it up and find out. It took me approximately 18 minutes to unbox it. Everything was securely wrapped with a thin layer of foam or brown shipping paper. And then of course it had saran wrap over the top of that. Everything looks to be in order. Nothing seems to be damaged. So let's take a look at what we got on the table here. There are 10 of these cross sections. That's these right here. There's also the wind fairing, as well as the sides of the roof rack. There's one for either side. And then the hardware actually came pretty well bundled and clearly marked. So yeah, everything looks to be in order, nothing damaged, and hopefully without too much trouble this will be an easy and straightforward install. So I just want to show how and what I'm using to clean the grime that was left behind by the factory roof rack where the mounting hardware and the plastic boot were. All I'm using is some warm soapy dishwater and rubbing alcohol and of course paper towels. So this is after the cleaning. Like I said, it's not 100% perfect, but it is good enough for our purposes. I'm now on day 2 of the Sherpa Equipment Company Princeton roof rack for the 4th gen Toyota 4Runner. Unfortunately, I did not get to complete the installation yesterday. Today I'm going to install the side panels, the wind fairing, and then the rest of the crossbars on the roof rack. And fortunately, now that I have the main crossbars that are anchored to the vehicle installed, it should be an easy process from here going forward. So you have these little rubber boots that sit in this little gap. Now, I took and put a bead of silicone around the little plastic tubing that was actually on the 4Runner where the bolt goes through and bolts into the body. So I definitely recommend doing that if you want a good watertight seal. Going forward here, I'm going to assemble the wind fairing. Once I get that done, I'm going to install it along with the side panels and then the rest of the crossbars. One thing I recommend anytime you're bolting anything to your vehicle, especially like your roof rack or you're bolting attachments to your roof rack, is you want to be sure to use a thread locker. Now me, I prefer the Loctite Blue 242. Blue is medium strength. With the roof rack finally installed, it took me approximately 12 hours to complete the installation process over the course of 2 days. Here's a picture slideshow of the roof rack after the installation was completed.